In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add your Figma frames into a device mockup using a free Figma plugin. To get started, open your Figma project and make sure the frame you want to showcase is ready. Next, open the Actions menu and select Plugins and Widgets. In the search bar, search for a mockup plugin and open one of the available device mockup tools. Once the plugin launches, browse through the available devices and choose the mockup that best fits your design. After selecting a device, choose the Figma frame you want to display. Depending on the plugin, you may be able to select the frame directly or export it as an image and upload it to the mockup tool. The plugin will automatically place your design inside the selected device mockup. Once you're happy with the result, click Add to Figma or Insert to place the completed mockup back into your project. You can then resize or reposition the mockup as needed for presentations, portfolios, or client reviews. And that's it. You've successfully added your Figma frame into a device mockup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.